So today I'm reviewing a magnetic dryer vent coupling, and it's a quick connect, flame retardant, replaceable hose, and safe and reliable. Let's do a quick unboxing to see what you get. Let's see. It has a user guide, and let's see what's inside. One dryer vent adapter, a wall assembly, one bracket, one vent hose, two hose clamps, one foil tape, three wall anchors, three taping screws, and two regular screws. And it comes here with directions on how to install and everything. So that's great. And here is along with the screws. And then we have here the clamps are inside. And then here's the dryer vent part, the main part. And it has the foil thing inside in there as well. And it also comes with this. So this is what you get when you buy this product. And it also comes with warranty, I think, or after sale service card. Yeah, and you receive a 1-year warranty, so this is great.